Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Samsung TV stuck on step 2, 3 or 4. The setup process troubleshooting guide. Step 1, perform a 60 seconds hard power cycle. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall outlet. Then locate the physical power button on the TV, usually underneath the center or along the bottom edge. Press and hold the physical power button for 30 to 60 seconds. Now leave the TV unplugged from an additional 2 minutes and plug the TV back into the wall outlet and turn it on. Now check whether the TV procedure passed the setup step that was previously stuck. Step 2, skip the initial setup screen. If the TV freezes during the network or Samsung account setup, you can commonly step 2 or step 3. You may be able to complete the setup without signing in. While the TV is frozen on the setup screen, use the remote to move the cursor upward. Then look for a skip now or cancel option. Now select skip to continue with the remaining setup process. After reaching the home screen, connect to a Wi-Fi and sign into your Samsung account from the TV setting menu. Step 3. Perform a factory reset. Use with caution. So turn the TV off. Using the original Samsung remote, you can press mute 1, 8 and 2 and power in sequence and wait for the service menu to appear. Now navigate carefully to factory reset or SVC or factory reset depending on your TV model. Now select the reset options to confirm. The TV will restart and launch the initial setup wizard again. Goodbye and thanks for watching.